Marhaban Arabic learners, hope you are all doing good. I'm Sabri, your teacher of Arabic, and today we are going to learn how to use the masculine singular demonstrative pronoun in Arabic, which is هذا, in English this. So let's go guys, هيا بنا يا رفاق. First, هذا means this in English. هذا in Arabic is very useful when used in simple sentences and when asking questions. Trust me, هذا is gonna help you a lot as a beginner learner to make simple sentences and asking simple questions. Let's see some examples. هذا كتاب. هذا كتاب. This is a book. هذا منزل. هذا منزل. This is a house. هذا حاسوب. هذا حاسوب. This is a computer. Important, in Arabic we have two separate demonstrative pronouns for masculine and feminine. هذا is used with masculine nouns and هذه is used with feminine nouns. Unlike English, as you know, we can use this with both masculine and feminine nouns. Example, هذه طفلة. هذه طفلة. This is a girl. And here, as you can notice, we used هذه because طفلة is a feminine noun. We cannot use هذا طفلة. هذا طفلة, no. So we used هذه طفلة. Now let's learn how to use هذا in asking questions. It is so simple. We just add ما to the beginning of هذا. Example, ما هذا؟ ما هذا؟ And the answer, هذا كتاب. هذا كتاب. This is a book. ما هذا؟ ما هذا؟ What is this? هذا هاتف. هذا هاتف. This is a phone. ما هذا؟ ما هذا؟ What is this? هذا مقص. هذا مقص. This is a scissor. Important, when asking questions about people we don't use ma, because ma is only used with things. We used man instead of ma when referring to people. We cannot say ما هذا. ما هذا. We say instead من هذا. من هذا. هذا صبري. This is Sabri. Another one, من هذا؟ من هذا؟ Who is this? The answer, هذا طبيب. هذا طبيب. This is a doctor. There is another way to ask questions with هذا, but this time with yes or no questions. How to form this kind of questions? Very simple. This time we add alif at the beginning of هذا. It becomes هذا. In English, is this. The answer in this kind of questions is نعم أو لا. Yes or no. Examples, أهذا هاتف. أهذا هاتف. Is this a phone? لا. No. This is a book. هذا كتاب. هذا كتاب. أهذا حاسوب. أهذا حاسوب. Is this a computer? لا. No. هذا هاتف. هذا هاتف. This is a phone. أهذا قلم. أهذا قلم. Is this a pen? نعم. هذا قلم. Yes, this is a pen. Now let's go through all what we have seen today. هذا is the masculine singular demonstrative pronoun. هذه is the feminine singular demonstrative pronoun. To form questions we use ما هذا when referring to things and من هذا when referring to people. To form yes or no questions we use أهذا and the answer is yes or no. Now we arrived at the end of this video. See you soon. إلى اللقاء.